Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make vanilla cupcakes. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and line a 12-cup muffin tin with liners. Cream 1 cup butter with 1 cup sugar until pale and fluffy, then beat in 2 large eggs one at a time. Stir in 2 teaspoons vanilla. Alternate adding dry ingredients and 1 cup milk, starting and ending with dry, to keep batter smooth. Gentle mixing makes a big difference for tender cupcakes. Sift 1/2 cups flour with 1¾ teaspoons baking powder and 3/4 teaspoon salt, then add gradually. Alternate adding 1 cup milk and the dry mix in 3 parts, mixing briefly after each addition to keep air in the batter. Stop once you see no streaks of flour to preserve light crumb and avoid chewy texture from overmixing. Baking time and cooling are key for cupcake success. Fill liners 2/3 full so cupcakes rise without overflowing. Bake at 350 degrees F for 18 to 22 minutes and check with a toothpick for doneness. Let them cool in the pan for 5 minutes to set, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely before frosting to avoid melting the icing and ruining the texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.